Hey guys, here's a 2008 Porsche Carrera S. Came in for a couple of goodies. I'm going to show them to you here. We did a K40 radar. Dual optics mounted in front. Take you around back. We added a backup camera. Mounted right by the license plate there. Take you inside, show you what we did there. K40 LEDs mounted there in the cluster. Changed out the head unit to this Alpine W650. Start it up for you. Alpine radio there. Show you the integrated backup camera. Check that out. K40 radar.
K40 scan active.
Here's your lights.
Dusk.
You can dim them if they're too light.
Night. Auto. Off. Day.
Day is the brightest setting, you can see. And we also added blind spot monitoring. One LED on the passenger side, and you got one LED on the driver's side. Let you know if anybody's next to you when you're trying to move over to lanes. Thank you guys for watching our video.